Imagine a canvas. Not just any canvas, but one that stretches beyond the limits of our imagination. A canvas that isn't confined to the dimensions of height and width, but one that extends into the very essence of reality itself. Not a canvas of cotton and paint, but a canvas woven from the very fabric of the universe. Picture it as a vast, intricate tapestry, where each thread is a strand of cosmic energy, interlacing to form the grand design of existence. This is the quantum field, a realm where possibilities shimmer and potentialities dance. It's a place where the boundaries of the known dissolve, and the mysteries of the cosmos unfold in a symphony of light and matter. It's here, in this vibrant tapestry of existence, that the concept of stationary consciousness takes root. Imagine a state of being where the mind is free from the shackles of time and space, where awareness is pure and unbounded. Stationary consciousness is a state of pure awareness, untethered from the constraints of time and space. It's a profound stillness, a deep silence that resonates with the very core of our being. In this state, we become the silent observer, the eternal witness to the dance of the cosmos. It's the silent observer within, the eternal witness that transcends the limitations of our physical form. This inner presence is always there, watching, waiting, and experiencing the universe in its entirety. It is the essence of who we are, beyond the physical, beyond the temporal. In this realm of pure being, time as we know it ceases to exist. The past, present, and future merge into a single eternal now. It's a place where the soul can rest, where the mind can find peace, and where the heart can truly understand the infinite nature of existence. Here in this quantum canvas, we find the true essence of our being, a timeless, spaceless awareness that connects us to the very heart of the universe. The past and future melt away like snowflakes dissolving on a warm hand. There's only the present moment, an infinite expanse where all possibilities converge. This is the timeless present, a state of pure awareness where everything is happening simultaneously. Imagine a star burning brightly in the night sky. It's been shining for millennia, its light traveling across vast distances to reach our eyes. In the timeless present, we experience the star's birth, its life, and its eventual death all at once. Time, as we experience it, is merely an illusion, a construct of our limited perception. We are like travelers on a train, watching the scenery rush by. But the scenery is not the journey. It's merely a fleeting glimpse of the landscape through which we are passing. Our true nature is not bound by time. We are limitless beings capable of experiencing the totality of existence in every single moment. We are the universe experiencing itself, the cosmic dance of creation unfolding within us. Within each of us lies the potential for infinite expansion. This potential is not just a fleeting thought or a distant dream, it is a profound truth embedded in the very fabric of our being. When we look deep within ourselves, we can see the reflection of the cosmos, a universe waiting to be explored and understood. We are not separate from the universe. We are the universe, expressing itself through the unique lens of our individual consciousness. Every thought, every emotion, every experience is a manifestation of the universe's endless creativity. Our minds are like telescopes, peering into the vastness of space, uncovering the mysteries of existence one revelation at a time. We are walking, talking universes, each one a microcosm of the vast macrocosm that surrounds us. Our bodies are composed of the same elements that make up the stars, and our spirits are intertwined with the cosmic dance of creation and destruction. As we move through our daily lives, we carry within us the echoes of the Big Bang, the whispers of galaxies, and the silent songs of distant stars. Just as a single drop of water contains the essence of the ocean, so too does our consciousness contain the infinite potential of the cosmos. Each thought is a ripple in the vast ocean of our mind, each emotion a wave that carries us closer to the shores of understanding. By embracing our inner universe, we can tap into the boundless energy and wisdom that lies within. We are not limited by our physical bodies. We are boundless beings of pure awareness, capable of experiencing the totality of existence. Through meditation, introspection, and a deep connection with the world around us, we can transcend the limitations of our physical form and touch the infinite. In this state of pure awareness, we become one with the cosmos, experiencing the unity of all things and the profound interconnectedness of life. Think of a hologram, a three-dimensional image projected from a two-dimensional surface. Every part of the hologram contains the information of the whole. This is a powerful metaphor for our own existence. We are like holographic projections of a single unified consciousness. Each of us is a unique expression of this universal consciousness. Yet we are all interconnected, part of the same intricate web of being. The observer and the observed. As we move through the world, our consciousness remains stationary, like the eye of a hurricane. Our bodies may be in motion, but our true essence, the observer within, remains still and unchanging. We are both the observer and the observed, the dancer and the dance. We are the universe experiencing itself, the cosmic play of light and shadow, form and emptiness. The dance of consciousness. Imagine the stars in the night sky, each one a pinpoint of light scattered across the vast canvas of space. Now imagine these stars as individual points of consciousness, each one connected to every other through an invisible web of energy. This is the dance of consciousness, an intricate ballet of energy and awareness, constantly shifting and evolving. And we are a part of this dance, each of us a unique expression of the universal consciousness that animates all things. Beyond the stars. The night sky, with its infinite expanse, has always been a source of wonder and inspiration. Each star, a distant sun, each galaxy, a vast collection of stars, planets, and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. As we gaze up, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities that lie beyond our immediate perception. The journey of self-discovery is a journey inward, a pilgrimage to the heart of our own being. In the stillness of meditation, we find a sanctuary, a place where the noise of the external world fades away, and we can hear the whispers of our soul. This inward journey is not just about finding peace, but about understanding who we truly are beneath the layers of societal conditioning and personal beliefs. It's about peeling back the layers of conditioning and belief that obscure our true nature, revealing the radiant light of pure awareness that lies within. Each layer we shed brings us closer to our authentic self, a self that is not defined by external achievements or failures, but by an inner light that is constant and unwavering. As we delve deeper into the mystery of our own being, we begin to tap into the limitless potential that resides within us. This potential is not just about achieving personal goals, but about realizing our interconnectedness with the universe. The same energy that fuels the stars flows through us, reminding us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. We discover that we are not separate from the universe, but rather an integral part of it. Our thoughts, actions, and intentions ripple out into the cosmos, influencing the world around us in ways we may not even realize. This realization brings a sense of responsibility and empowerment, knowing that we have the power to shape our reality, a microcosm of the vast macrocosm that surrounds us. Just as the stars are part of the galaxy, we are part of the universe. Our journey of self-discovery is a journey of cosmic significance, a reminder that in understanding ourselves, we come to understand the universe itself. Beyond the stars lies not just the mystery of the cosmos, but the mystery of our own existence, the eternal now. Stationary consciousness is the realization of our true nature as timeless, limitless beings. It is the understanding that we are not bound by the constraints of time and space, but rather the creators of our own reality. In the eternal now, we are free from the limitations of the past and the anxieties of the future. We are fully present in this moment, experiencing the fullness of life with a sense of awe and wonder. We are home at last, in the heart of the timeless present.